So this is live, and let me turn down my Netflix. Hello to anyone that's listening to a blacked out view of forums for internet accounting. My name is Carolyn Elaine Blanchard, and I am the publisher of OBCB Music Publishing that have internet accounting deep on my mind. I invented some forms to enhance Windows Media Player Center and Real Player Network in showing how to count internet streaming videos, MP3s, videos of all kind, like in YouTube, like in Zoom, Last.fm, iHeartRadio, and other places that show the entertaining performances of many musical selections that we love to be entertained by. The payment point of that is that you have to document anything that have a performance record as in numbers, like, say, for instance, YouTube. You have a YouTube situation of, if you look up somebody like, who can I use, like Lena Horne, just for example, and you look up Lena Horne singing Stormy Weather. And on her Stormy Weather YouTube channels, you see that it's been played like 11 million times, 11,934,611, say that many times. Then how is that documented? I have, invented the forms that will document such musical plays in a place in the internet, website, a web engine like YouTube. You write down how many times it's been played, and every 3 months, as performance royalties go, there are payments from ASCAP, BMI, and SIMSAP. And as there are payments every 3 months, they want to know what is the hunt on a song like Stormy Weather. If it is 11 million songs, performances from that song, then 3 months, maybe there's 12 million, maybe 1 million people listened to that performance as well. So the forms that I invented is a hell of nothing but dividing the time order and the points of how you count your streaming videos in the internet. I've given this plenty thought since like 1996, 97, and I didn't know how well to get it to the forefront of the music industry. My family had music of Please Love Me Forever, written by my grandmother, Miss Ollie Blanchard, and one of her friends, Johnny Malone. And the song has been incorporated into the internet, into cyberspace, for so many years in front of me that I feared that because we didn't get any royalties when my grandmother died in 1964, how do we get paid now in the new millennium? So you look through the internet and say, well, this is it. And then you say, you look at your statements from, I am a BMI publisher, you look at the statements and they show, wait a minute, the internet, 2 cents, the internet, 3 cents. And you say, no, this has to be a better payment in the form of the internet is showing, like in YouTube, like in Zoom. In Zoom, you can go in Zoom.com and you can find, if you are like a person like Eminem, he has at least, 50, 60 albums in Zoom. Each album is recorded. It is showing in Zoom in numerology order, like from 1987 to date. And it's in there in a place where it rates very well with the forms that I'm saying is for the internet accounting. When you go into Zoom, you can have the forms and have someone write down every album on your first line. And after your first line, then you have them write every song on that album on the forms. This is how you will document your music in the internet. Say, take a person like Miss Aretha Franklin. Miss Aretha Franklin, I looked through Zoom, she has like maybe 200 and something albums. She has to get someone to take the forms and write down every album and all the songs on the forms, and then you go through search engines and find every song that's on those albums that's being entertained and performed throughout the internet. People might think I'm rude on how I count and see the count of the music in the internet, but there was a statement that said that Mr. Bill Gates wouldn't be able to count something that he helped rate so well with the Microsoft program of Windows Media Center. When I, checked on the Windows Media back in the late 90s, I said, I do believe I see a way as me, Carolyn Elaine, of OBCB Music Publishing since 1992. I've been a worldwide publisher in front of everyone, that I really, really can see a place to count the music in the internet without it being a problem with the performance agencies using a concept like IBM. They have a series now that takes on faxes that if half the world faxed to a company with a series of tower in a room, it would accept it. And they would be able to eclectically handle the faxes that come in to pay musicians and writers and publishers their performance royalties. This is why I invented the forms, to help for a foundation of your music selections being documented with ASCAP, SIMSAC, or BMI, that they do that for a year in the fears of losing your digital funding rights. It has to be documented someplace first that it can be digitally enterprised into the internet system, that a site like YouTube could go digitally, that we just click it in. Every 3 months, just reset. That is what I feel in this 10 minutes of discussion on Ustream, that this is going to be a new millennium point of performance royalties for many people of publishing rights and writer rights and the artists that perform them. I've worked a very long time on this. The copyright is patent pending, and I soon hope to be in Connect and answer questions and take on nice little forums on how these forms will help you retrieve your internet accounting funding for the new millennium. My name is Carolyn Elaine Blanchard, and I am the CEO and owner of OBCB Music Publishing. Talk to you soon. Bye.